probably going to sound like I'm promoting these things, but I'm really not. In fact, part of me really wants to just trash these mini excavators, but for some strange reason, I can't help but resist. These Chinese mini excavators are basic. I mean, really basic. The kind of basic where every time you turn the key, you expect it to break down. They sound like they are on their last legs, but somehow they get the job done. It's like they just keep chugging along no matter how much you question their longevity. Honestly, if I have to guess, the lifespan for these is around 4 years to 5 at best, but I think that if I really take care of this one, it can last a lot longer. I can replace the entire engine with a Briggs & Stratton engine for under $500 and get back to work without missing a beat. As for the hydraulics, those are super easy to replace too. There's nothing intimidating about these diggers, and with my basic welding skills, I can fix or rebuild any part if needed. Today, I spent the entire day digging and moving dirt with it, and it performed like a champ. Next month, I'm tackling a 300-foot trench, and I have no doubt this machine will handle it just fine. Honestly, the more I use it, the more I realize this was a solid investment. I paid $3,900 for this one, and if it lasts me 10 years, I'd give it a 5 stars in 2035. If you've got any thoughts or questions, drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest reviews.